Can you see me, guys, in Balasa? I saw so many cows. Can you see? Whoa, these cows are so big. And look at these guys that are running. Whoa! Imagine you just pick up your camera and you started recording in the middle of the street. Have you ever wondered, just for like, oh, you want to shoot and you are just walking down the street and you're shooting. I don't even know what I'm recording. So join me, guys. Probably I'm going to find something nice that you'll watch. So let's go, guys. Just pick up my camera, just filming, walking down the street. Hopefully I'm going to find something nice for you guys to watch. So just sit back, relax, and I know you're going to love this video. Okay, let's see. So just like shooting. I actually want to maneuver this place so tight. Very tight corner, guys. Very, very tight. As you can see, it's very, very tight. Okay. So I'm still walking down the street, just shooting, probably my camera will capture something nice for you guys. So no intention anyway, just to walk around and see things for myself. As you can see, I'm inside the bush. Okay, just moving on. Probably I was going in the hair. Oh, I saw that rat. So let's see. Imagine what I saw, guys. Guys, I got to this spot. I saw so many cows. Can you see? Whoa, these cows are so big. And look at these guys that are running. Whoa, can you see, guys? Lovely. Look at those cows. Whoa. Can you see me, guys, in Balasa? Balasa lawa. Can you see me? 7 Up. I gotta let him 7 Up last. Why don't you Dubai, ṣé gáàsì ẹ pọ̀ jù ni àbí kí ló ń ṣẹlẹ̀? Okay, wọ́n ní mo dorí ẹ̀ kodò ni o. Ọjọ́ olè mu 7 Up láti. 7 Up.